So I'm going to show you how to set up a new user, or in Chrome, they call it a person. In Firefox, they call it a profile, and I'll explain why it's valuable. So it's really simple to do. In Chrome, you're just going to go to, actually, I believe it's your image here. You click on that. Down here in Other People, you would click Add, and then follow the instructions. And let me show you what that ends up doing. Is basically it allows you to log in as a separate user, and it changes everything in your account. So if you look at all these are extensions that are attached to this user. So if I click here for less extensions, this one has almost no extensions. I have a couple extensions here that I've added, but I basically removed all those extensions. And if I log into Momentum, you'll see I'm not logged in here. Whereas in this page, if I refresh it, I am logged in. So it's clearly a completely different account, or not account, but user browser experience, right? And as long as I'm opening things in this browser tab window area, it's all going to be in this account. Whereas if I go to the other one, it's still considering me logged out because it's this user. But as soon as I log in here, you'll notice like it's going to log me in, and then it's going to recognize me. And you'll notice it's still someone different because in this account, it says, welcome, Andrew. Whereas in this one, I believe this is someone different. Let me see. Maybe that's not the correct password. Oops, I don't think that's the correct password. Oh, no, it is the correct password, but I don't have it's my fake no access account, so it doesn't have access. So you can see I don't have access. So the thing I love about this is a lot of times when you're using different websites and things, there's one thing, like one extension that is causing an issue with the website up here, but you might not know which website is the issue, or which extension is the issue. And so by creating a new user that doesn't have all the extensions, maybe just has one or two extensions, you're most likely going to get rid of the issue that is being caused by that extension. So that's one of the first things. Like if I ever test a website and it's not working, some piece of the website isn't working, the go-to strategy is to basically open it with no extensions. Some people use an incognito window, and that would work too, because that also gets rid of almost all of your extensions, unless you've set them up specifically to work with incognito. But the downside of incognito is that it doesn't remember stuff later. So the nice thing about this is that even if I close this page, if I want later to open up less extensions again and go to that same page, you'll notice that I'm still logged in, right? So, I mean, I'm logged in with a non-access membership, but I am still logged in. It still recognizes me. So basically it's I believe it's holding my cache or my cookies or something like that. So it's easier for me to navigate around, but it gets rid of all the extensions. So that, again, how to add it here. You click on the profile and you click add, and then you're just going to follow, add a name, add an ID thing, and then just click add. And I believe that's it. There might be one or two other things, but just follow the instructions. It'll be there. In Firefox, it's slightly different. I believe you would type in about profiles, and then you can create a new profile and then follow the steps again. And then to launch it, I believe you like this. Right now, this is the profile in use, and this one's not in use. So I would click here to launch this profile in a new browser, right? So that is how to set up new profiles and persons, basically new users. I hope that's helpful for you.